Love bread, but it doesn't quite fit your goals? Whether it's weight loss or just cutting carbs, let's make a high-protein bread alternative you can actually eat every day. No white flour and ready in no time. Start by whisking 1 egg with a teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some oregano or any herbs you like, plus a tablespoon of thick Greek yogurt. Now add a tablespoon of coconut flour and a little psyllium husk. This helps with texture and adds fiber. Don't add too much or the texture might turn rubbery, and we don't want that. If you don't have psyllium, you can skip it, but I recommend picking some up. It's a handy ingredient when you're tracking calories and making healthier recipes. Add a pinch of baking powder, and my favorite part, a bit of finely grated parmesan. It gives a soft, rich texture and adds that signature cheesy aroma. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes to thicken. Scoop it all into 2 greased silicone molds. You can microwave it, 90 seconds on high, then 30 seconds more until the top is set. Microwaves vary, so stand by and keep an eye on it. Or my favorite, bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Ovens are more predictable, and the texture turns out more airy and pleasant. And it really doesn't take long. Let them cool slightly, then enjoy as soft bread rolls, plain, toasted, or even frozen for later. Super convenient. This recipe makes 2 rolls. Each one has about 90 calories, more protein and fiber than regular bread, and 0 refined flour or added sugar. If you're into everyday healthy cooking with 0 guesswork, hit subscribe and check the links in my bio. You'll find meal plans with quick recipes, simple ingredients, and pre-counted calories. Thanks for baking with me, Karina.